broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. For the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming.
He's a former Olympian himself.
Accomplished show jumper.
Beautiful day in San-Juan.
Now, following right up behind them is Breakthrough San-Juan-Kapístrano. It's a walking unit. Also marching in the parade are students and teachers from Breakthrough San-Juan-Kapístrano. It's a tuition-free academic program for motivated San-Juan-Kapístrano students who are on a path to excel in high school and be the first. 100% of graduates from the class of 2022 are providing the highest level of safety, service, and security to the people of California. And follow right up, we have the Orange County Fire Authority steamer. This one-of-a-kind parade team was established in 1997, and the Swallowsby Parade was its first parade back in 97, where it won its first. The parade team has participated in over 500 events, 12 tournament of Roses parades, TV and movie shoots. California missions, and the original home to the Swallows of Capistrano. The mission floats feature members of the Mission Preservation Foundation, their families, and other special volunteers. We thank board member Connie Spanuza and Dr. Peter Spanuza, along with their family who sponsored this parade's carriage. The Mission Preservation Foundation invites one and all to visit Mission San-Juan-Kapístrano.
Viking band and color guard. Let's give a round of applause for doing our parade. Woo!
All right, coming up right after you. Yeah. The Redwood Viking Band and Color Guard is under the direction of Mr. Adam Payne, Omar Tone. The band is made up of over 80 musicians from the beginning, concert, and symphonic bands, as well as the Color Guard members. Let's give a round of applause for our 2023 division with Rancho Mission Viejo.
Coming up here soon because there's going to be a lot of noise going on. We've got the red
gonna dance for us, right?